Hi everyone, in today's video, we are going to download and install Python 3.13 latest version on Windows. We have Python official website and we will navigate to download section. Once you landed on the download page, choose the Python version. You can see there are multiple versions of Python. The latest version of Python is 3.14, which is in pre-release mode. So we are going to install Python 3.13.5 version on Windows operating system. Click on Save. So your exe file will be downloaded on your browser. Python 3.13 version is downloaded on browser. Just click on this file. So this window says that we are going to install this version. Okay. Click on both the options, use admin privileges. Make sure to mark add Python to path. Otherwise you will have to do it explicitly and click on install now. It will start installing Python on Windows. So Python is installed on our computer. Just click on close button. To ensure Python 3.13 is correctly installed, open the command prompt by pressing Windows plus R, type cmd and press enter. Type a command Python version. It will show you that Python is successfully installed on our computer. So there is one more application installed on your computer, that is Python shell. We calls it IDLE. Can see that this new app is also installed. Just click on this application. This application actually used to create Python program. Okay, either you can create Python program using this tool or you can use any other editor like PyCharm, like Visual Studio Code or Jupyter Notebook. There are multiple ways to run Python programs. Click on File, New File, okay, and just say print hi Python. To run this Python statement, just click on Run, click on Run module, or you can directly press F5. First, it will ask you to save the file. We have document folder. We will just say first Python program. Click on Save. So your Python program is saved on your location and it ran this statement, Hi Python. Okay. If you want to print another statement, just say, Hi, this is first program. Run module, click on OK. So it will show you both statement. Okay, this is how we can run Python program. Now let's see how to set up Visual Studio Code for Python programs. Okay, let me open my Visual Studio Code. Let me open a folder. Select folder. All right, so this is the Python program that we created. Before running any program in Visual Studio Code, you have to install Visual Studio Python extension, right? Click on extension and just type Python. So here we have Python extension that is already installed on Visual Studio Code. You can disable it or you can uninstall it and reinstall it. There is one more extension, Python Developer, which actually allow developers to debug Python programs. So these extensions needs to be installed on Visual Studio Code. Then you have to set up a virtual environment in Visual Studio Code. How to create a virtual environment? You have to open command plate from here and then just click create environment. We have two options .venv or .conda, right? We are going to select .venv for virtual environment and you can see that newly installed Python 3.13.5 version is available here to use. Okay, we are going to select it. Virtual environment is getting created for this folder. that we have created, Python demo vs. So what this virtual environment does, this virtual environment is actually isolated from other environment, okay, including your global interpreter environment. You can see that new virtual environment is created now. Now let me create a new Python program and run it. Just click on the project folder and click on this new file, welcome.py. So this py extension needs to be used with your new Python program. Press enter and you can type any statement. Python 3.13.5 is ready to use. Alright, to run the program, just click on this run Python file button. This new terminal will be opened that will show the output. Okay, you see Python 3.13.5 is ready to use. Whatever Python script you execute in your Python program, and after running the program, so all output will be displayed on the terminal in Visual Studio Code. So this is how we can download and install Python on Windows, how to set up Visual Studio Code for Python. Now let me show you how to run Python program in PyCharm editor. I have installed PyCharm editor on my machine. So this is PyCharm Community Edition on my computer, right? If you have to create a new project, just click on New Project. Just type in your project name and provide location. Click on Project VENV, that is by default selected, and you can choose any of the Python interpreter right from here. We have just newly installed 3.13 version, so it is now available to select. Okay, just select it and click on create. So your new project with your virtual environment is getting ready on PyCharm editor. Let me create a new Python file. Right click on the project folder, select new, click on Python file. Provide any name, test, press enter. So new Python file is created. Okay, if you want to print any message, you can just say welcome to Python. Okay, in order to run the program, just click on this run button. So program will be executed on the console. You see the output is shown.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.